Right. Now ngifuna si-construct an angle, sakhe i-angle. Khumbula ke bese ngeke ngakukhombisa oline. Ngathi there is a line, there is a segment. There is a line and there is a ray. Sase siyayichaza ukuthi a line segment in a starting iyaphela. That's a line segment. Sathi i-ray in a starting and iyaqhubeka, continues. Sathi a line in a starting in a 2 points, 3, 4, 5, but iqhubeka ndawo zonke. That's a line. That's a line. So if you look at this one, engubhalela ebhodini, this one can be mangibala, it is a ray. Mangiphinde ngivala la kanye nala, it becomes a line segment. Mangishiya kanje, it becomes a line. It becomes a line. Then I want us to construct ngifuna sakhe an angle. Khumbula ukuthi sithene ekuqaleni. Sithe an angle is a space or an area between two lines or line segments or rays sharing a common vertex. Sharing a common vertex. Uma ngisho kanjalo ngithi a line, ngithi an angle is a space between two lines, which means ngithe kuwena this could be a line segment, this could be a ray, this could be a line segment, this could be a ray, and this is a line. So mangabe ngithi kuwena an angle is a space or an area between two rays, but those ray, RYA, must share a common vertex. So okusho ukuthi mangase ngisukela ngizela ngidwebe another ray, nansi ngiyayidweba nje, nansi ray yethu. I-ray continues from one point, continues on the other side. I-ray has 2 points. I-ray has 2 points. But if two rays, le ray 1 na le ray 2, they share a common vertex, a common point. If they share a common point or vertex, a space in between, it's either you look at it that way or you look at it that way. That is a space in between. That space is called an angle. Is called an angle. So an angle is a space between two rays sharing a common vertex, or between two lines sharing a common vertex. Because uma lo line ngu extender, it becomes a line. Ngiphinde extend lo, it becomes another line. Therefore, when these two lines meet at a vertex or shares a common vertex or a point, then a space in between is called an angle. By construction, how do we do this by construction? By construction, this is what you do. You take a ray. You take a ray. Here is my ray. There is a point. There is another point. This is my ray, a line that is continuing to one direction. I am constructing an angle. Then I take my compass. Depend ukuthi ngisuke ngifuna ukwakha i-angle engakanani. Ukuyivula nokuyivala kudepend ukuthi ngifuna i-angle engakanani. So there is my ray, there is my compass. Taking my compass and marking an arc there. Marking an arc there. So there will be an arc there. There will be an arc there. I will take my compass and mark an arc there. After marking an arc, with the same space of the compass, go to the other side, to the other point, and mark another arc there. If I mark another arc there, one arc will look like this, and the other arc will look like that. Then la lama arc amabili la ahlangana khona, I take my ruler and join that point where the two arcs meet, like this, to the original point. And the angle is formed. There is the angle. It is formed. There is the angle. It is formed. There is the angle is formed. This is how you construct an angle. You take a ray or a line segment. After having drawn yourself a line segment, you take your compass, you open up your compass as big as the gap between the two points. You make an arc there, so the arc will be there. The arc will be there, and you come this way and you make another arc there, and the two arcs will meet there. Where the two arcs meet, you join this point to that one. Joining these 2 points, it's like removing the first one, because now sesisebenzise a larger space between the points. Then you take this point, you join it to this one, vertex. And an angle is formed. An angle is formed. This angle is formed. This is how you form yourself, or you construct yourself an angle. Your angle will depend on the space between, the length between, the space between the 2 points. So this angle, you can see, it's a space, an area between the 2 rays, because this ray shares this point with this ray, and there is another point. So this one is a ray, and this one also is a ray. So this is how you construct yourself what we call an angle. From constructing this angle like this, if you draw another ray there, then a triangle will be formed. A triangle will be formed. Because now another ray shares this point with this ray. But this ray, there is another point, it goes there, up there. So you see, 3 rays sharing common vertices. 2 rays shares here, 2 rays shares there, 2 rays shares there, and a triangle is formed. A triangle is formed. This is what is happening. The distance or the gap here, look at the gap there. Look at the gap there. Look at the gap there. So all these gaps are equal, meaning the triangle mina esengiyenzile inalama side awu-3 yileli naleli naleliya. Wonke lawa maside ayalingana. The 3 sides are equal, and these also are angle. These also are angle. In measuring this angle to that angle, this is what I do. I take my protractor and place it on top of this triangle. Right. Khumbula ukuthi besenza njalo ukuze ungadideki. We are still on continuation. Siyaqhubeka nomsebenzi bese sivele siuqalile. Besithe lapha ekuqaleni it's a construction of geometric figures. And nabo ke olayini kufanele wazi ukuthi these are geometric figures, these are geometric pictures. Njengoba bengikade ngichazelile. Kodwa nansi into engifuna uyikhumbule njengamanje ukuthi remember ukuthi bonke laba olayini, all these are lines, bonke laba olayini. Kufana nokumisa igroup yabafana noma yamantombazane uthi all these are girls. But kulawo ma girls lawo sukukhuluma ngawo, khona uSindy, khona uZodwa, khona uLynette, khona ubani, bahlukile ngamagama. Abanalo igama elilodwa, though generally mangabe sikhuluma ngabo bebonke amantombazane kanjalo nabafana. Ingakho kubona ngithi all these are lines, but ama-line benjalo behlukile. Lo is segment, bese ngichazelile ukuthi segment yini. Go to your notes. Ngithe segment ulayini onesiqalo nesiphetho awuqhubeki. Lo layini siubiza ngesegment. Owesibili ulayini sawubiza ngokuthi it's a ray. I-ray inesiqalo, mayifika kwisiphetho iyadlula, iyaqhubeka. So inesiqalo and continues to one direction. Inesiqalo and continues to one direction. Injengani ke le in a real world. Injengalento esiyibiza ngokuthi mawuhamba emgwaqeni it's a one-way traffic. I-one-way traffic imoto ehamba zibheke endaweni eyodwa, yikho ithola isijikile isibheke emuva kuleyo ndawo. Bese owesithathu ulayini okufanele siwazi noma esisawukhumbulayo is just a line. Ulayini nawo mawubuka phakathi kuwo unale part esibiza ngesegment, but the only thing ngoline ukuthi uqhubeka on both sides. Lento esingayibiza ngokuthi in a real world it's a two-way traffic. Khona eziyale imoto eThekwini, khona ezibuyayo eThekwini, because lo mgwaqo uyahambeka ndawo zombili. Kusho ukuthi mawuza kuwona wena uza in a T-junction kanje uyakhetha ukuthi ngifuna ukuya ngapha noma ngifuna ukuya ngapha, so umgwaqo uhambeka ndawo zonke. So this one is a two-way traffic, this one is a one-way traffic, this one lo esiubize ngesegment mangathiwa nguchaze ngawuchaza njenge cul-de-sac, umgwaqo ophelayo okufanele ujike ubuyele emuva. So these are the lines. Ilaba ke olayini engifuna sibabuke njengamanje, but sizosebenzisa bona labo line ukwenza ini, to construct. Usakhumbula ukuthi usitheni uconstructor, ukususa into phansi ebekade ingekho. In this case we are constructing an angle. Sathi yini angle? Sithe angle ispace esiba khona between two lines uma labo line ababili besherisha esikubiza ngokuthi vertex, besherisha esikubiza ngokuthi common point. Uma labo line ababili bemeter, if these two lines meet at a point, uma labo line bemeter laphayana, definitely kuyokwakheka a space between those lines, kuyokwakheka a space between those lines, kuyokwakheka a space between those lines, and these spaces we call them angles. So angle yini is a space between two lines sharing a common point, sharing a common vertex, sharing a or intersecting at a certain point. Sengikunikezile ke summary yalezi zinto, usuzoyibona ke nawe, uzolokhu njalo ujeqeza kuphi emsebenzini wakho ukuthi yini lene besiyenza. Nansi into esesizoyenza manje ngoba sifuna ukwakha an angle, sifuna ukwakha a space, sifuna ukwakha an area kunale ndawo esiyifunayo esifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Nansi ke line segment. Kade siqeda ukuchaza la. Sathi uma oline ababili besherisha a common point, sase sithi a space is created. Uma oline ababili besherisha a common point. So if this one is a line segment, asithathe elinye point, siyothatha ipoint up there. Uma sithatha ipoint la, leliana is just a point. Khumbula ukuthi sithe yini point lethu. Sithe ipoint lethu alisikhombisi lokho esikubiza ngokuthi yini imagnitude, kukude kangakanani. Kodwa uline esiusebenzisayo between two points okuyiwona osikhombisa ukuthi likude kangakanani. Uma leli point lethu sengilijoyina kuleli point lokuqala leli, uma leli point lethu noma lama point ethu omabili sengiwaxhumanisa ngolayini nanka, sengiwaxhumanisile ke lama point. Uma sengiwaxhumanisile lama point, usiyabona ke ukuthi angithi futhi sengike ngakufundisa mina ngokuname ulayini, ngokuqamba igama ulayini. Uma leli point lethu silibiza ngokuthi point P, leliyana silibiza ngokuthi 1, leli silibiza ngokuthi 2. Kusho ukuthi olayini bethu babili la, khona ulayini osuka ku P uye ku 1, kube khona ulayini osuka ku P uye ku 2. Khumbula ukuthi ngithe yini naming ukuqamba igama. So igama lethu ke la it's line P1, omunye it's line P2. Kodwa mawubabuka labo line bobabili kuleli point leli, they are sharing lokho esikubiza ngokuthi it's a common point esikubiza ngani ngevertex. Naso ispace sesakhekile in between, naso ispace sesakhekile in between. Yilesi space ke thina esikhuluma ngaso esisibiza ngokuthi siyini lesiya space sethu, sisibiza ngokuthi it's an area or an angle, an angle or an area or an angle. Nanso ke angle sesiyakhile bakithi, we have constructed, sesiyakhile nansi. Ubani othi bukhuni ukwenza lento, nothi kubukhuni yena ngeke akwazi ukwenza lento. Into yokuqala mangabe uzokwakha iangle yakho, fanele uthathe one of the lines, preferably it's a line segment. I-segment isithe ulayini oqalayo ube nesiphetho, awuqhubeki indawo zombili. Mawusuthathile wawudweba lo line wakho, khetha noma yiliphi point noma ikuphi, ulibeke ipoint lakho, nali ipoint lakho phezulu. Thatha leli point ke, it's either uljoina ku-P noma uljoina ku-2, but uma usuno line P1 kanye no line P2 besuke endaweni eyodwa, le yandawo yethu eyodwa esiyibiza ngokuthi yini? It's a vertex. It's a vertex. It's a vertex. That common vertex, it creates a space in between. Let's say a space or an area. Siyibiza ngokuthi yini? It's an angle. It's an angle. Sesingayimeasure ukuthi inkulu kangakanani. Anginifundise ukuthi imeasure kanjani ngoba masisuka la sizobe silokhu siqhubeke njalo. Right? Siyabona ke manje ukuthi imeasure kanjani i-angle. Imeasure kanjani i-angle. Angizukuyingcolisa le. Ngizoyiyeka njengoba inje, kodwa ngizodweba omunye ulayini. Mangidweba omunye ulayini nanku. Anginendaba ukuthi ulayini wami mude noma mfishane kangakanani. Anginendaba, nanku ulayini wami sengudwebile. Asithi ke lo line engudwebile, ngidwebe a segment. Sengiyayivala ke ngoba i-segment ayiqhubeki. Nansi i-segment yami, nansi i-segment yami. Sengiyaqhubeka ngenza okunye esesivele sikufundile ngama-segment. Siyiqamba igama manje. Siyiqamba igama, we are naming it. This segment iqala ku-A iyophelela ku-B. Iqala ku-A iyophelela ku-B. Ngoba wena usakhumbula ukuthi line segment ulayini onokuqala nokugcina. So iyaqala iyophelela ku-A. Iqala ku-A iyophelela ku-B. Umbuzo wami ke olandelayo uthi ngabe kulo line lo sikhona yini lesi space esilapha ngaphezulu? Kulo line lo sikhona yini lesi space esilapha ngaphezulu? Abaningi ke bazothi no. Lalela lento engizokutshela yona ke. Leso space sikhona. Angiphinde futhi ngithi leso space sikhona. Mangithi sikhona, ngicela ungibukele la. Mangithi sikhona, lesi space sikhona la, ngicela ungibukele la. Nansi angle yami. Ukukubuza ukuthi lesi space lesi esisibiza ngearea nesisibiza ngokuthi it's an angle esakhiwa i-vertex. Ngabe khona yini i-vertex la? Ngabe sikhona yini lesi space la? Abaningi bazothi no. Bazothi no. Kodwa buka ukuthi sikhona. Uyayibona le instrument yakho wena oyibiza ngokuthi compass. Nansi i-compass. Nansi i-compass. Nasi lesi space engikhuluma ngaso engithi lesi space is an angle. Nasi lesi space engisibiza ngokuthi it's an angle. Nasi lesi space. Uyasibona? Manje ngikubuza ke wena ukuthi lesi space lesi sikhona yini la? Abaningi sebethi no asikho. Ngithi ke mina sikhona. Buka ukuthi indaba ngithi sikhona. Angithi nansi i-compass yami, nayi le arm yami, sengiyayibamba ke le arm yami, ngihamba nayo njalo, ngize ngizofika kule position. Now you can agree with me ukuthi lesiya space sikhona la. Umehluko ukuthi sesivuleke kakhulu lesiya space. Sesivuleke kakhulu lesiya space. Even i-vertex le nansi vertex. I-vertex yami ikhona la, nayo nansi ikhona. Nespace mangithanda ukusinciphisa, ngiyathanda njalo ngiyasinciphisa. ngiyasinciphisa uyabuya njalo ulayini wami uyabuya njalo ulayini wami uyabuya njalo siyancipha nasi lesi space sikhona kulo layini nasi lapha phezulu ngiqhamuka naso lapha phezulu mangisuka naso phezulu ngiza la bese ngiyayithatha lo layini omunye wami P1 ngikuthi then it rotates uyajika phezulu kwe vertex bese wakha lokho esikubiza ngokuthi is a straight line buswakha lokho esikubiza ngokuthi yini is a straight line asikubhaleke kwakheka lokho esikubiza ngokuthi is a straight line ngoba mina ngiyawumove line P1 ngihamba nawo ngithi uzwakhe into straight kanje bese kuphuma lokho esikubiza ngokuthi is a straight line so i-angle ke le ebincane ingaka ya asiyimejanga kodwa ngicela siyimeje le khona uzoyibona into eyenzakalayo ngicela siyimeje le khona uzoyibona into eyenzakalayo mangabe sesikala le angle nansi into ezolandela bisiyenzeka sizothatha ithuluzi lethu esilibiza ngokuthi i-protractor hayi protector cha to protect is something else but this one is protractor njengogandaganda this one is a protractor sifuna ukumeja le angle le mase simeja le angle ephezu kwe straight line iphezu kwe straight line ungilalele kahle iphezu kwe straight line mase imeja sithatha iprotractor yethu siyibeke exactly phezu kwe straight line sesiyayibeka ke iprotractor yethu siyibeka phezu kwe straight line nasiya i straight line sethu sesiyayibeka ke iprotract nansi iprotractor yethu sesiyaqala ke manje siyabala we are counting degrees sisuka at a point of 0 10 20 30 40 mase sifike la u90 degrees sehle 110 120 30 40 50 60 70 80 mase sifike la okusho ukuthi masisuka la size sizofika ngapha noma sisuka ngapha size sizofika la sisuke sesihambe 180 degrees okusho ukuthi noma yipi into eqondile ngisho ngaya phezulu kwe TV yakini ufika ubeke lo uzomthola ukuthi lo ukwakhela 180 degrees ngoba iTV yenu yakini ulayini oqondile netafula ulayini oqondile njalo netafula lasekitchen indawo yokupheka yeni so ngoba kuqondile a flat area is always indawo flat is always equals to 180 degrees that is the measurement yalapha asibuyeke sibukele uyayibona lena ukuthi mangabe ngimeasure la uyabona ukuthi incane kangakanani ngisuka ku0 but mangifika ku60 isiphelele ngisuka ku0 mangifika ku60 noma ku55 isiphelele so this one is smaller than this one is 180 this one is smaller than 180 so that is what I want you to understand ngani ngama lines ethu ukuthi this is an angle that we created from the angle le esiyakhile thina uma siwamove ama arms siwalalisa njalo lale wonke athi aqonde akhipha another angle ebesingayiboni ukuthi angle but le angle yona ibizwa ngokuthi yini is a straight line angle therefore a straight line angle uma simeasure is equals to 180 degrees a straight line angle masi measure is equals to 180 degrees that is a straight line angle mangabe si measure is equals to 180 degrees sibuye sizela simeje lena encane. Masimeja le encane esiqale ngayo uyabona ukuthi ayifiki ngisho ukufika ku90 is less than 90 ngoba yona nansi is less than 90. Ayifiki ku90 it's less than 90. Njengoba ke I less than 90 igama layo less than 90 igama layo njengoba I less than 90, this one is called an acute angle. Any angle that you will measure and find ukuthi u30, u45, u60, u70, u79, as long as is less than 90, it is called an acute. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. Is less than 90 degrees. That is an acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees. A straight line angle. A straight line angle is equals to 180 degrees. Right? Le esibiza ngokuthi acute sibuye sithi it's a complementary angle. Complementary angle. Sibuye sibize ngokuthi it's a complementary angle. It's a complementary angle. Wonke ama-angles ozothi uyayimatch bewu-20, ozothi uyayimatch bewu-25, uthi uyayimatch bewu-31, uthi uyayimatch bewu-45, 59, 69, 79, 89, wonke lawo ozowameasure abe mancane kuno-90 abizwa ngokuthi angama-acute. Kwesinye isikhathi sithi angama-complementary. Complementary means mawuthatha enye uyihlanganisa nenye, mawuthatha encane kuno-90 uyihlanganisa nenye encane kuno-90 fanele uthole u90. Like for instance mangizothatha ewu30 ngiyihlanganisa newu60, 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. They complement each other to make. Kusho ukuthi enye isigcwaliso senye. Uma ngiyimejile u30 bese ngimeje enye ibe u60. Uma ngiyimejile iu30 noma iu35 bese ngimeje enye ibe u35 ibe u 65 55. 35 and 65. Lokho kuzongithi mangikuhlanganisa ngithola u90. Lawo ma-angles siwabiza ngokuthi ayacomplementana, enye isigcwaliso senye. So they are complementary angles and their name abizwa ngokuthi angama-acute. Ama-acute noma imaphi amancane kuno-90. Kodwa esithi masiwa measure abe u180 sithi is a straight line. Eyodwa nje masike sayimeasure yaba u180 sithi is a straight line angle. Asibukeke manje i-straight line angle. Angithi i-straight line sithe is a line segment AB. Uma ngase ngithole i-point noma iliphi point, nanto ke i-point sengiyalakha manje. There is my point. There is my point. Bese ngithatha leliya point leliyana ngilihlanganisa or ngidwebe ulayini kuleliya point oza ngqo kule angle. Ngqo kanje. Ngicabanga ukuthi uyabona ke ukuthi manje into esengiyenzile le angle eyodwa ekadila i180 sengidouble phakathi ngommese yaphuma yaba amacala amabili kwaba yile kanye nale kwaba yile kanye nale kwaba yile kanye nale sengidouble u1 no2 are supplementary lawo ma angles ke siwabhala kanje nansi enye notation angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Masithi a supplementary sisho ukuthi wona womabili masiwahlanganisa ayosinikeza u180. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line are supplementary. Masiwa adda wonke on a straight line, we should get 180 degrees. In this case, out 2. So angle 1, angle 2 are supplementary because masiwa adda wona womabili asinikeza bani 180 degrees.